Make money on Snapchat. Is this real? Snapchat. It's where we share silly selfies, watch crazy stories, and connect with friends. But guess what? It's also a goldmine for making money. Yep, you heard that right. People are raking in cash using this app. Think of it like this. Snapchat is your stage, and millions are waiting to see your show. How do you turn snaps into stacks? There are tons of ways. We're talking brand deals, selling products, even creating your own filters. This isn't just for celebrities or influencers with millions of followers. Anyone can do this. Yes, even you. This guide is your roadmap to Snapchat success. We'll break down each money-making method, give you real-life examples, and offer tips to get started. Are you ready to turn your snaps into a side hustle or even a full-time gig? Let's dive in. Snap Cash Me Outside, turning views into dollars. Remember those viral videos everyone talked about? That's how it starts on Snapchat too. Grow your audience by creating awesome content. Think funny skits, helpful tutorials, or behind-the-scenes peeks. The more engaging, the better. Once you've got eyes on your snaps, brands will come knocking. They want to reach your followers, and you're the key. Sponsored snaps, stories, or even product placements can bring in big bucks. Take DJ Khaled, for example. He blew up by being himself, sharing his life, and connecting with followers. Now brands pay him big time to feature their products in his snaps. Don't worry about having millions of followers right away. Start small, be consistent, and watch your audience grow. The more engaged they are, the more attractive you become to brands. Shoutouts. Your ticket to Snapchat riches. Think of a shoutout like a personal recommendation to your friends. On Snapchat, you can give shoutouts to other users, businesses, or products. And guess what? They'll pay you for it. Let's say you've built a decent following around fashion. A new clothing brand might pay you to give them a shoutout in your story. You showcase their clothes to your followers and bam! They get exposure and you get paid. Pricing your shoutouts depends on your audience size and engagement. Start small and gradually increase your rates as you grow. Remember, authenticity is key. Only promote things you genuinely believe in. Your followers can spot a fake from a mile away. Section 4. Snap ads. Be the ad, not the viewer. Ever see those ads between Snapchat stories? That could be you. Snapchat ads are a powerful way to reach a massive audience and promote your business or brand. You can create eye-catching video ads or even use sponsored geofilters. More on those later. Target your ideal customer based on demographics, interests, and even location. While Snap ads require a bit of investment, they offer incredible reach and targeting capabilities. You're not just throwing spaghetti at the wall, you're putting your message directly in front of the people most likely to be interested. Section 5. Geofilters. Cashing in on location, location, location. Remember those cool filters you can add to your snaps based on your location? Those are geofilters, and you can create your own and even sell them to businesses. Let's say there's a local coffee shop you love. You could design a fun geofilter with their logo and a catchy tagline. People use it when they're at the shop, spreading the word and boosting brand awareness. You can sell your geofilters directly to businesses or even list them on marketplaces like Etsy. It's a creative way to monetize your design skills and tap into the power of location-based marketing. Section 6. The Snap Hustle is real. Your journey starts now. There you have it. You've just unlocked the secrets to making money on Snapchat. It's not about being famous or having millions of followers. It's about creativity, consistency, and connecting with your audience. Remember to create engaging content that people actually want to see. Partner with brands that align with your values and audience. Explore different monetization methods and find what works best for you. Don't be afraid to experiment, have fun, and let your personality shine. The world of Snapchat is your oyster, so go out there and start snapping your way to success.